We have made it up to Moore's Knob, which is got a beautiful view here. And here is the view. Very, very, very beautiful, which is quite an impressive hike. You gotta keep the knee brace on, but we got our trusty hiking sticks somewhere right there. Our trusty hiking sticks, they get us up here really good. But this is a beautiful view. We're almost up to Moore's Knob, which is the lookout tower, which is way up there still, but we're gonna go up there and see if we can find it and see what kind of views we can get from there. So stay tuned and stand by. Hey everybody, well, we made it up to Moore's Knob. It's the highest point in this entire mountain range area. It's 2,579 feet. This place is between 250 to 500 million years old. The rock formations here. Look at this view. That's the Blue Ridge Mountains. Way out there. You can probably not be able to see it, but it's out there. This is our view from here. It took us a long time, but we went from way over there on that little mountain, up and around, all the way up to where we are right now. So we're going to see where we can go next. So stay tuned and stand by. And while hiking through, we also found the balanced rock. That is pretty neat.
Oh yeah. Doesn't move.
And April's trying to unbalance it, of course. Good luck there.
It's no teeter-totter in it.
There's very little holding this thing up too.
Shoe, is this yours?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Hey everybody, alright. We just got done doing the Moores Knob Lookout Tower. And the Moores Knob, we're just going to call it the Overlook. Beautiful views, beautiful, beautiful views. There's so much fog on top of the mountains that you can't hardly see the far off distances. But the views are phenomenal from up there. But we're heading back now, back down to the campsites. Go and kick back, relax.
Go to the lake.
Yeah, we're gonna go hit up the lake and everything and see what that's like. So we're gonna take a little break and see what the water looks like. So stay tuned and stand by again.